वन टीवी, सब पे नजर, अंदर की खबर।
Foreign affairs, which among other facets of life also highlights the cultural, scenic beauty of Indian IIOJK. Kashmir, no doubt, is a heaven on earth which fortunately has been turned into hell by the cruel and inhuman treatment meted out to the Kashmiri people by the Indian security forces backed by the Indian government. During events organized over the past few days, the international community has witnessed the magnificent show of solidarity with Kashmiris by the Pakistanis at home and abroad. But let me say that expression of solidarity with the Kashmiri people is not a one-time event or activity. It has never been so. Government and people of Pakistan have extended support to the Kashmiri brethren throughout the last 7 decades and would continue to do so until the Kashmiris succeed in their struggle for their inalienable right to self-determination. Pakistan, under the bold leadership of Prime Minister Imran Khan, has rejected India's illegal actions of 5th August 2019 and internationally highlighted the humanitarian, legal, and peace and security dimensions of the issue. Prime Minister Imran Khan has reached out to the world leaders, international institutions, the UN, the OIC. He has forcefully raised the Jammu and Kashmir dispute on all multilateral and international fora. Our efforts to project the Kashmir cause have not gone unnoticed. United Nations Security Council has discussed the Jammu and Kashmir dispute 3 times since 5th August 2019.
A1 टीवी, सब पे नजर, अंदर की खबर।